Listen to the highway, move us far away, waiting for the world to die. I don't know who you are, but you can show me tonight. Hold my hand, let's go. Hold my hand, let's go. Anywhere you wanna go. Get me up and dry. Make me last forever.
Well, that's it, guys. That's Rylstone 2022 wrapped up. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming for the journey. Thanks to everyone, the supporters, the pit crew, the organisers, all the sponsors. Thanks for watching Tomo's Tune-Ups. Tomo signing off for another year. We'll see you right here again on Tomo's Tune-Ups, all things DIY and mechanical.